Hey everyone, Crypto.com started giving out airdrops, and I'm going to talk about the airdrop going on right now and the airdrops going on after this event is over. Let's get into it. So right now we're at the home screen, and to get to the airdrop, we're going to click on the icon on the top left corner of the screen, and right below Earn, you're going to see Crypto Earn and then Airdrop Arena. We're going to click on that. Right now the airdrop is going on for the dip coin. The total rewards are $250,000, and the rewards can go up to 23.3% PA. Right now my bonus is 6.92% and my rank is 24,107, but I haven't been participating much. I've just been doing the daily logins and that's it. Right now it looks like there's only a total of 65,921 people participating in this. I was actually expecting a lot more considering how many people are using this app. The event still has 17 days left, so there's plenty of time to earn some free crypto if you want to jump in on this. If we scroll down, it talks about the point boosters, and Footlocker is already activated. That gives you 200% event points daily by locking up your current events rewards for 6 months. Leveling up your achievement rewards will also give you more event points daily, up to 160%. So I'm going to talk about how you can participate really quick for beginners, and then we're going to go into the events coming up next. Allocate Crow to earn points. So it wants you to stake Crow, the app's native token, to earn event points. And higher allocations into Airdrop Arena's 6-month lockup earn more points. The more points you gain, the better your rank. Accelerate this with point boosters, which we talked about earlier. Your token rewards are airdropped 7 days after the event ends, with the option to lock them up for a bonus. And that bonus was the 200% bonus if you lock it up for 6 months instead of receiving it after 7 days. You can withdraw your Crow after the 6-month lockup period or keep it in the Airdrop Arena for ongoing events. Now for the upcoming events, there's an airdrop for VVS here in 17 days as soon as the one for DIP ends. And then we have one in 47 days for CAW. And to give you a better idea on how to earn points in this event, I'm going to click on Transfer More. So the whole point of this event really is to transfer your Crow token over and stake it. Hypothetically speaking, if I transferred 100 Crow token right now, it'd be worth about $8.2. I'd get 1 point for depositing it, and then I'll get an estimated 20 event points for the amount that I deposited. If I change that to 200, then the point amount changes. But right now my current point balance is only 188 because I'm only receiving 18 points a day. I don't have very much Crow staked away right now. So I would get 21 points just for depositing this, and the amount that I'd receive daily would double. I would like to say, don't expect to get rich off of this airdrop, but it is free crypto, so if you can get involved, be sure to do it before it's too late. If you're interested in future similar content, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, save that money.